Hey travelers, well it is Throwback Thursday, so today we are going to be heading back to sunny Jamaica and we are going to be making some Caribbean pineapple jerk sauce. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. So we can't actually travel to Jamaica right now. Hopefully that all changes soon and travel restrictions are released. But in the meantime, we can take our taste buds to Jamaica. So we are gonna make some spicy Jamaican jerk sauce. This has got some pineapple in it, so it's a little bit of sweet, a little bit of spice. It is fabulous on all kinds of different food, and it's really got a great Caribbean taste. So it really reminds me of, those beautiful sunrises and the palm trees and just, all those many hours that you can spend enjoying the beaches in Jamaica. So yeah, we're going to give this recipe a try. And if you are interested in following it below, in the description, you'll see a list of all the ingredients as well as a description of how you can make it. It's a super easy recipe and hopefully you enjoy. So let's check it out.
Hello, today we're going to make one of my most favorite hot sauces of all, and that is Jamaican jerk. And we're going to add pineapple in, just add a little bit of sweetness. You can put it on everything, like most hot sauces. I like it on steak, I like it on chicken, I like it on pork. And I'll also stuff hamburgers with it when we're making spicy burgers. So what we have here are the ingredients. We have some cloves, which I've actually ground up in the mortar and pestle, cinnamon, nutmeg, white pepper. Key ingredient is allspice. These were whole allspice, which I ground up a while ago and put into this convenient container. The recipe calls for thyme, but I've actually have some fresh oregano that we grow, so I'm using that instead, a slight adjustment of the flavor. We have onion, scallions, and instead of, normally you use Scotch Bonnet peppers, which are really, really fiery hot, but they're not in the market right now. And I've used up all the ones I had frozen. So now I'm using Thai chili peppers, which have a really good kick to them as well. We've got a little bit of brown sugar, not brown sauce, garlic, and a good hunk of ginger, and the lime and the pineapple. And the recipe does also call for some rum, so I like that. So I'll consider putting some rum into that as well. A little story, my nephew came and visited us from Africa, and they have peri-peri spice, so he likes hot stuff. So we were having steaks and I lathered it all on, and I lathered it on the way that I like it, which is basically just coat it all over. And the poor guy, he nearly died. He was sweating everywhere, but kudos to him, he refused to give up and scrape any off. And he actually ate the whole steak. I think he had quite a few beers to cool himself down. But yeah, so we'll get going on this. It's pretty easy to make. You literally just chuck it all in the blender. A commercial brand, Walker's Wood, in my opinion, is the best like store-bought that I've had. I've tried Grace's, and we had another one from St. Lucia, but they tended to be slightly, or actually very salty compared to the Walker's Wood. And maybe it's because I had Walker's Wood first, that it's kind of the first one I had, so therefore it's sort of set the standard. Right, I'm just gonna pile all of the ingredients in. So this is the cinnamon, the oregano, we have the brown sugar, pineapple, get all the juice in, allspice, all right, we'll just use it all. Tablespoon of white pepper. And this is the cloves from earlier. Take this opportunity to put the limes in. Oh yeah, these are really good. So I actually left the limes out of the fridge and let them warm up and bash them around a bit, and it's good, excellent yield on the juice. Okay, we'll do a quick test here. I have got some other chili peppers, the Thai chilies. I didn't use them all in case it's not hot enough, but that's doubtful. It's just a little bit, but you can see lots of colors in there. Very, very aromatic. And it's got a good kick to it. But I suggest obviously you make it and then let it sit for 24 hours, 48 hours, so all the flavors can mix up. But yeah, I like that a lot. But then I tend to like all the hot sauces I make, so a bit self-serving, isn't it? So the usual thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And if there's any hot sauces you want me to make, I'll happily play. Thanks, and chat with you next time.